welcome to another video. My name is Kat,
And today I'm sharing my everyday clean girl makeup routine as a black girl. It's quick, natural, and glowy.
The first thing I do is wash my face. So I've cleansed my face with this Centella Fit Foam Wash. First thing I'm going to do is use these glycolic acid from The Ordinary. Skincare is the most important thing when it comes to makeup, so you need to make sure your face is clean. At this point, I put my lip balm on just to help hydrate my lips. That's your skincare done, and we come back in 20 minutes. Around 20 minutes. I'll wait 20 minutes, yeah, and start doing our actual makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put the primer on. You can already feel it stick to my skin. You see that?
Usually I don't do much for my eyebrows. I just try to keep them neat and just fill it in a bit.
The only place I actually use foundation on is here. I just place it. Foundation brush. This foundation brush. I'm gonna just dab into my skin. I usually just put contour around here. Ooh, around here, where I can see my natural cheekbones like shadowed a bit. Put it on here. Here. A bit up, actually. A bit up. Also, this contour is shade Deep Rich. Tiny bit here. Just a tiny bit on here. And then upwards. Like that. Set of blush is so cute. My friend gave it to me as a gift, and it comes with the cream and then the powder blush. So I'm gonna use the powder one. I'm gonna use the cream one. Why am I confusing myself? Get a flat brush like this. Dab it. This depends on how much blush you want. I like my blush. I like the blushing. I like it blushing. Just put it here under my eyes and lift it up a bit. If you want it less, I usually put a lot. If you want it less, you can just do a tiny bit like that. That's it for you if you're happy with that. But I like it more, so I literally just usually put it all over down here. And I'm happy with this. Now I'm gonna go into the concealer. The concealer that I use again is e.l.f. And this is the shade Cinnamon, Deep Cinnamon. I place my concealer up here. I'm gonna put less on here because I'll blend it, and if I need to add more, I'll add more. So here, then here. Curve your lips and then top of the lips, then down here. I'm gonna go and do just a little triangle here. And if you want, on the bridge of your nose. That's the mapping for your concealer. Before I start blending it in, I just get my setting spray and I spray the end of my brush.
At this point, I was making sure my concealer and the contour were blending properly to make it look nice and natural.
That's that. And now we'll do our under eye, the concealer around our eye. So I'm just adding a bit more, just to lock it in, looking up, and I'm blending. Just use this beauty blender to blend, so it's not just a straight line between here and the contour side, because some contour spread around here. So you see that it's like more blended. And I will grab my loose powder. This is the loose powder that I use. You start blending where you put your concealer along with your face. This for your face. Using setting spray to just spray my face before I put the rest of my powder products. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So I just dab it in. Dun, dun, dun. Just dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. This contour is not the same shade as my cream contour, by the way. It's more like brownish. Bleed it upwards a bit, not too much, because I know this contour has quite a lot of color. Now I'm gonna use the powder blush. Pam pam pam, pam 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 pam, pam pam pam, pam pam pam, pam pam. Just dab dab again, dab dab dab, dab dab dab, dab dab dab. I have it later. I've got this one that my friend got me. Shout out to you, bestie. She gave me this for my birthday, so I'm just gonna go with this brush here. Follow this. Oh, this is a bit too much. And just do my eyes. So I'm just gonna do my mascara now before I put my lashes. So this is the lip liner Intense Color by MUA. So my camera battery died. So all I did was try to blend it a bit. And a bit in here. And blend to see if it's enough. If not, I'll add a bit more. Blend into my lips like this. Yes! And last step is the actual lip gloss, lip oil at the top. get this. I got this from MUA again. Gifts. I love when my friend gives me makeup. Like, I use the makeup you give me, girl. I use it. And you see that lip popping. Hey. Oh, this is the final makeup look. I'm out of the house. I couldn't record the rest, but I just put my lashes on and did my lip like I showed you in the video. And that's it. This is with the sun coming on my direction, no filters. This is how it looks like. And please comment what you think of the makeup. Subscribe to my channel if you're really into the thing I post and if you're really into this makeup look. This is more like a going out type of look. Still a bit natural, but yeah. Tell me what you think. Thank you. Bye.